What's going on, guys? It's your average consumer. And you know Ari.
Hello.
And today we're going to be talking about what we think is one of the best vlogging cameras that you can get right now.
And if you are an OG subscriber, you might remember that we used to vlog on this channel a lot. Oh, yeah. So it's only right we do this intro vlog style.
And if you don't remember, here are a couple clips of what we used to do back in the day.
Laser time. We might be a little too old to play, but we're gonna see if we can get it anyway.
Definitely too old. Look at our opponents. Look at our teammates.
We are going to demolish.
Speaking of throwbacks, these kids can't possibly know this either. 90s babies. 90s babies, seriously. And yes, you saw that right. We vlogged during our wedding.
We were pretty committed to the whole vlogging thing.
Yes, definitely. So today we're gonna be talking about the camera that we used in pretty much all of the vlogs.
For years and years and years.
Definitely, the RX100. Now Sony was cool enough to sponsor today's video, and this is gonna be like the easiest video in the world to make because we are so familiar with this camera.
We went through like all the different models. Yes. Today we're gonna talk about the Mark V, which is exciting.
But I'm gonna take it out and show you guys in the real world what it's like to actually use it. And honestly, guys, I just love recommending the RX100 for anyone who asks about a camera that can help them start their vlogging or doing whatever they want to do in terms of photos and videos. This has great quality and a really lightweight, compact body. And I love that because you've got a high quality camera that can fit in your backpack or even your pocket, which is great for traveling since vlogs typically happen all over the place. Now, a few of the other nice things I like about the body of this camera is that it has a flip out screen as well as a ring dial in the front so that you can change things like the aperture or even zoom into shots if you need to. You got a lot of control with this camera, which is going to be essential if this is going to be your main camera that you take everywhere with you. Now, of course, when you're vlogging or just working with video in general, you got to think about the audio as well. Back in the day, we used to use the internal mics on the camera to record our stuff, and that was fine in the beginning. I definitely think if you're a beginner, the internal mics will do just fine. But you might want to consider an external recorder if you really want to make sure your audio is crisp. I personally do it with all of my cameras, and I'll have some good options linked down below in the description. And not only is the RX100 great for video, but it takes awesome photos. So if you're looking to take a picture for social media, you can just grab it, go like this, boom. And just like that, I've got a really awesome shot of some French fries. What's great is that there's also an app that goes along with this. So whenever you want to go ahead and post it on Instagram or Facebook or whatever, there's just a single button you hit send this image. It creates a Wi-Fi network and makes it very, very simple to go ahead and transfer your photos. And look guys, just like that, items were copied, and now I can just go right here and boom, there goes my French fries. It's super simple and I don't have to go ahead and take my SD card out, put it into a computer, try to transfer it or send it over email. Use an app and you've got all your stuff right on your phone. Now, one of the absolute best things about the RX100 line is the fact that it has a pop-up screen. So there's no guesswork in setting up your shot because vlogging's first person, so you want to be the guy manning your camera and knowing what it looks like when you're shooting. And with that feature, you know exactly what you're getting from your screen because you can see it right there. But I warn you guys, try not to look at the screen because then you're not looking at the camera, you're not paying attention to your audience. Ari used to do this all of the time. She messed up a lot of shots, but it definitely is useful to have. Now, in terms of the specs, we've got a 24-70 lens with an aperture of f1.8, which is really great if you're looking for some nice depth of field, especially low light photos or low light shooting. You're gonna be able to take in a lot of light, get some great quality. And right now, what you guys are seeing is the quality directly from the camera. No editing, no colors. This is exactly what you can expect. And even without any editing or coloring, I think it looks pretty good. And of course you can shoot in HD and you even have access to 4K with the Mark IV and Mark V versions of this camera. And if you're looking for some variety in your shooting, you even have slow motion as an option. So you've got your high frame rate mode that allows you to shoot at 240p and all the way up to 960, which is incredibly slow. But one thing you want to keep in mind is that you're going to need a lot of good light to make sure these shots are nice and exposed. But overall, guys, I think the RX100 is a great option if you want to take your vlogging as well as your social media pages very seriously. You get that great video quality as well as picture quality. And with that flip-up screen, that means you're not gonna need an extra cameraman to help you compose your shots. You'll be able to see everything that's going on right from the camera. And you also get the Play Memories app, which allows you to share your photos wirelessly and very quickly whenever you want to post to your social media pages. And while everyone may not think $1,000 is inexpensive, it's definitely worth the investment if you want to take your video seriously. But they still do have the previous models available as well, so you can save some money there and still get really great quality. I really think that the quality and convenience that you're getting from this camera in this form factor is a great value, especially when you start comparing it to things like DSLRs, as the prices can change quite drastically. Me and Ari have been using it since 2013 to do our vlogs, and we can't recommend it enough. But hopefully this helps you guys if you want to start vlogging. I'll have some recommendations down below in the description to other things that would help you along with the RX100 if you want to start your vlogging game. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be the cool guy or girl that gives it a thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. So then, it's your average consumer. Peace.